Hello all, welcome to Tech Easy. Hello, good morning guys. Today in this video we'll see how you can remove these grid lines just like this MS Excel sheet. So there may be conditions or the requirement something like, see, this is the payslip what I have generated, and to insert the company name here, I don't want these grid lines to be in the middle of this section, so I have removed. For this text also I have removed the grid lines. Actually in two ways you can delete these grid lines or remove these grid lines. First method, select the cells or the required area first initially like this, and now you can apply these borders like outside borders, then fill this with white gradient. So this is not that professional way to remove the grid lines, but this will be useful. For example, if you want to insert some images in this area, picture from your computer, in this way, this will be useful. And the second thing, as I said, is the professional way. So select any cell on your MS Excel sheet and now hold the shift key. Remember, not the control key, shift key, and select whatever the cells you want to remove this. What is this? Grid lines. For example, this area I want to remove all the grid lines. Now I'll click on this home, and under home there is an option called merge and center. Tap on this merge and center. So everything under this box gets deleted. Remember again, first you need to shift the hold the shift key, then select the area, then select this merge and center. So this will remove. So whatever text you write here, it will be without the grid lines, and here also whatever you write, and you may ask something like, how will I get this at the middle of this section? I mean, these see, what do we call this, these alignment options to make the text appear in the center. So this is how you can uh, remove the grid lines, and please do comment in the comment section below which step or the which way do you like to fill with the white gradients or with the merge and center option. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.